The RSI candlesticks can be treated similar to price candlesticks, allowing you to identify patterns like double tops or bottoms directly on the RSI panel. This powerful indicator, built on the Ichimoku Cloud concept combined with a modified RSI, offers a feature-packed solution for in-depth market analysis. In this guide, I'll walk you through each component, ensuring you can leverage its full potential. Let's add it to our TradingView chart. It's called ParkF RSI plus Ichimoku Cloud by ParkF. This indicator stands out by combining three powerful technical analysis tools. It uses a modified RSI that displays as candlesticks, giving us both momentum and price action style readings. The RSI is enhanced with divergence detection capabilities, which can spot potential trend reversals early. The addition of the Ichimoku Cloud provides dynamic support and resistance levels, while the linear regression channel help identify the overall trend direction and potential price boundaries. The default setting RSI uses a standard 14-period length. For divergence detection, the indicator looks back 15 bars to identify pivot points, with 2 bars confirmation on the right side. The Ichimoku Cloud settings, 9, 26, 52, are traditional values that work well with the RSI's momentum readings. The linear regression period of 100 bars with 2 standard deviations gives us a trend channels that aren't too sensitive to minor price fluctuations. This indicator works particularly well when combined with traditional price action analysis. Consider using it alongside support and resistance levels, trend lines, and volume analysis. The RSI candlesticks can be treated similar to price candlesticks, allowing you to identify patterns like double tops or bottoms directly on the RSI panel. For optimal trading results, consider the following approach. First, identify the primary trend using the linear regression channel direction. Watch for RSI divergences, particularly when they occur near the linear regression channel boundaries. These signals are strongest when the RSI candlesticks show clear rejection patterns at these levels. The Ichimoku Cloud adds another layer of confirmation. When the RSI moves above or below the cloud, it often indicates a strong momentum shift. Look for trades where the divergence signals align with the cloud transitions. Looking at this downtrend, the linear regression channel gives us valuable insights. For this analysis, I've adjusted the regression period to a higher value to better match the overall trend. Though keep in mind this is flexible and can be adapted to your trading style and preferred period. Look how the RSI consistently gets rejected at the upper channel boundary, preceding further downward price movement. The divergence analysis has been particularly effective here, capturing most swing reversals. The Ichimoku Cloud component adds another dimension to our analysis. The alternating green and red zones you see represent the dynamic relationship between leading spans A and B, forming what's known as the Kumo cloud. Traditionally, this cloud projects 26 periods ahead to indicate potential future support and resistance levels. For a deeper understanding of Ichimoku clouds, check out our dedicated video. You'll find the link in the description. Here's a key optimization tip for integrating the Kumo cloud with the regression channel strategy. Instead of using the traditional 26-period displacement, try setting it to 1. This adjustment gives you real-time support and resistance levels, which often proves more practical for this particular setup. For example, when you see the RSI getting rejected by the channel, look for additional confirmation from the Kumo cloud, either a downward cross through the cloud or a rejection at the cloud boundary. While this indicator may seem complex at first, each component serves a specific purpose in building a comprehensive strategy. Take time to familiarize yourself with each element individually before combining them in your analysis. And don't forget to watch our recent video, where I discuss this awesome buy-sell indicator combined with TP RSI in a trading strategy.